Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Carol here. All right. Today I'm reading for you Gifts in Hand. And the amazing thing about this poem, it was inspired by that reminder that we came on this earth equipped, gifted with all varieties of things that can help us have a better life here. So, if you figure out your gift, or even if you're stumbling around, whatever you're good at, whatever gives you that extra joy and bliss, do it and do more of it. Well, gifts in hand, I came with my gifts. As a shooting star, I landed on planet Earth with forgetfulness at the core, with imprints of gifts unfathomable, with puzzle pieces to find my way. Faith, trust, and belief were the essence. Ignorance was bliss at a time, but I came with my gifts. The package was cleverly embedded in my soul. I came with my gifts. Unpacking one by one, some gifts made sense, others didn't. Some gifts seemed misplaced. In this current era we live in, I surely came with my gifts. With surrender at the forefront, with letting go of the programs, with accepting the greatness from within, I came with my gifts. Like a jigsaw puzzle, some gifts erupted without warning. My mind wanted to reject them, but my heart said otherwise. This is the path. Follow it. This is where you placed your treasures. Follow boldly. You will know what to do. At all times, stay in your heart. You have signs and wonders. Guides and spirits are guiding your path. Stay firm. I surely came with my gifts. Unwrapping this package with no human sense of understanding, only the remembrance of who I am. I came with my gifts to love and to hold what is true for me, to shine and never grow dim again. I came with my gifts. So let that be a reminder. You came with your gifts, packaged uniquely, packaged in very interesting ways. It's a process of discovery, process of remembrance, but you came with your gifts. I hope this poem inspires you. It's from Divine Soul Whispers. I'm Carrie again. We'll talk soon. Bye.